It's mid-April. Oh my god. I'm going to do a week of revision, which is pretty much what this week's little vlog is going to be. It's going to be like a week of revision and studying and note-taking, blah blah blah. And then I'll probably do the same thing for next week because next week is literally the week before I have all my finals and stuff. For context, last week I went to Portugal, went to Lisbon with my friends. I'm debating though posting that during the summertime so it's more relevant, and I can post this first because this will be more relevant. What is that noise? Do you hear that? But anyway, can I just say that I'm so behind posting everything. I'm still, at this moment in time that I'm saying this, I'm still trying to edit all the videos of when my sister was here, like literally more than a month ago. But anyway, yeah, today I wanted to really be productive. I might go to a cafe. I've been, okay, for context, this whole weekend, I've been to the cafes, I've been going to the gym, and I was like, ugh, I should vlog that because I had such an interesting, not like interesting, but like productive weekend. I got groceries yesterday after going to the gym, and I have to walk up a huge hill to actually get to my dorm. Oh my god, that noise again. You guys hear it? Obviously, I still have my backpack on because I had just come out of studying and I was like, I might as well do my groceries while I'm here. What a terrible decision to make because my backpack was already heavy. My back is killing me and my legs currently killing me, so I'm just gonna do my stretches here today and then focus on studying. Also, ooh, quick update. After I went to Lisbon, because everyone there, can I just say, speaks multiple languages. Like, for example, we went to a town called Sintra, and when you first come out, there are people trying to get you to do like different touristy things, whatever. So the minute that they hear whatever language that you're speaking, they'll switch up. English, Spanish, French. Did I get a wake-up call that I am totally not fluent in any language and am currently self-studying French. I used to study French in high school. I just had a period of time where I just stopped studying. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was because of essays, and then so we're back on my short stories in French game. I've been reading a chapter a day. I've been trying to, and then I've been trying to listen to at least one podcast in French, and then yeah, I'm gonna do some studying. I wrote out my to-do list already. Oh, also I planned out my week. Usually I do this. This was yesterday that I wrote out my study schedule. As you can see, I'm already behind on what I planned for Sunday. Didn't cross that out yet, but it's totally fine. And I have to get fit again because I have a hockey tournament this weekend starting on Friday, and we're gonna be doing 3 games a day. Probably gonna get our asses whooped. I'm very, very scared, but also very excited. It's gonna be a whole weekend event. We're gonna stay in Sheffield for like 2 nights. I'm gonna shut up now and actually get started on reading one chapter of this and starting my revision. I'm gonna head to a cafe. I think I'll listen to Coffee Break French, the podcast on the way there, and then do some more revision work. Probably an oat milk latte, which is my usual. Sometimes I get matcha lattes though, but I'm feeling I need some coffee today. So I was thinking later, if the rain clears, I'll maybe go to the Botanic Gardens, which is like really close to my accommodation. It's like on the way to the coffee shop that I pass it, and maybe sit and read, but I don't know if it'll be wet. I think tomorrow it's gonna be a nicer day out, so probably do some part-time tomorrow because, you know, gotta live up the sun while it's here. So yeah. To me, it's just casual. So my dorm. It's 7:30 at the moment. The sun actually came out, so I went to the park, did some journaling. I've been trying to journal in French. I want it to be more of like a habit so I can like, you know, improve my writing skills because it's the only way I can actually get practice to write. But yeah, the botanic gardens were so lovely. I highly recommend going. If you ever come to Glasgow, they're so amazing, especially in the springtime with all the flowers. I'm just gonna do some of my stretches and then I'm gonna eat some dinner. I have some spicy noodles and yeah. Guys, it's Tuesday today. I woke up today thinking it was Wednesday. I woke up so late. Okay, listen, I was planning on getting up early and whatever, having my whole morning routine. I FaceTimed my boyfriend until like 5 in the morning by accident. I literally couldn't fall asleep. It wasn't my fault. I couldn't fall asleep, so here we are. It's another really nice day today. I think I'm going to maybe read my book and then head to a cafe. Are we surprised? It's really nice out. It's probably cold still. I think it's like 50 degrees, which is, oh, I forget in Celsius, maybe 10? What? I don't know. So, side note, I had such a weird dream. I was going down a slide. As I was leaving the slide, I flew up into the air, banged my head against the wall, and then fell backwards. And I was like, well, this wasn't supposed to happen. And I was walking around like, what am I supposed to do now? After probably getting concussed, going down this stupid slide. Please explain. What does that dream mean? It's so random. And I woke up like, what? Anyway, just off topic. I'm gonna head out now. Guys, I have no idea where the time went. After I dinner, I literally have just been sitting here editing. I'm gonna go to, I think me and my friends are gonna try to meet up and study and get some lunch tomorrow. It's 1:52 in the morning. My sleep schedule is totally messed up. I'm just gonna try to attempt to go to bed soon, and then hopefully I can actually get my ass up, meet my friends tomorrow. Guys, it's Wednesday. I think this is honestly gonna be the last day of vlog because I feel like I already got a bunch of footage. I just ate some breakfast. I'm gonna meet up my friend Zoe. It might just be one of my friends. I don't know if the other one can come yet, but yeah, I think we're gonna get naked soup. I don't know if we're gonna do some work first or eat first. I'm down for both, even though I literally just ate breakfast. I feel like I could eat 24/7 every single day because why not? I'm gonna try to get some more revision done, more editing done, more French practice. I'm gonna try to listen to Coffee Break French. Here's the fit check. Thought I'd give you a little oh my god. Thought I'd give you a little update. I've been doing a little editing. I had an amazing day so far, can I say. Oh my gosh. First of all, I'm obsessed with naked soup. I know naked soup has been featured on the channel already, but I need to go as much as I can before I go home. During the summertime, I did a bunch of revision. I can't even say a bunch, it wasn't even that much. And then me and Zoe, we got some, I forget what the type of cookie is, but we went to offshore. We got some of those cookie things. I have a clip of it. But yeah, it was such a nice day out. Literally everybody was out today because the sun was out. It was such a vibe. It was so nice. We literally just sat on a bench and chatted a bunch. And then yeah, she went home. I went back obviously here, but before I actually came back, I sat on like the grass area of the botanic gardens once again because I was like, how am I not gonna do that when literally the sun was out? And I did some reading, just some journaling. Oh my god, wait a minute. I got some things at the thrift store. Let me show you. First, for $3.50, we have this little top. Look how cute. And then I bought this one for £10. Look how cute. Also, can I just say that I was only at that thrift shop because I was sitting waiting for Zoe to pull up, and I was like, well, I need to do something to pass the time because I can't just be standing on the side of the street doing whatever, just being awkward. So I stepped into the thrift shop and I was like looking around, just like pretending to look around, and then I actually started buying shit, and here we are. But it's totally fine. Can I just say, really off topic, what a nice week it's been. Oh my gosh, Glasgow has been beautiful and sunny and blue skies, and I feel like I picked the perfect 3 days to vlog. Anyway, yeah, just wanted to let that out. It's been so nice, so beautiful, just such great vibes. And since I've been doing all this revision, I'm not so stressed out about finals as I was last week. I'm like, you know, it's starting to come along. I'm pretty sure I know what I want to write my essays on once they actually get assigned. Anyway, I am going to, okay, can I just say, when I got back, I had 2 pieces of chicken left over and rice, and I came back, I ate some, and it's pretty much held me over until now, and I'm starving and I have no food. And so I'm like debating just cooking up some food, and it's like what, 10:50? What do I do? I was planning on cooking food, but I was so hungry when I got back that I had to eat. And then once I was done eating, I was like, oh, I'm full now. And now I'm starving. I feel like I'm just gonna cook something. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna make food. I'm gonna make food, and that'll be that. Hey guys, just finished up some seminar work. I'm going to pack been to a hockey tournament in a hot minute. Over a year. It's been that long since I've had a tournament, and obviously I've had a bunch of games, but like the whole staying in a hotel for the weekend, yada yada. I'm really excited, but I'm also stressed out and I'm kind of nervous. I'm just gonna start packing. It's kind of late, but yeah, I'm gonna start packing up, seeing what I actually need to bring, and you know, sort everything out. I'm gonna be going to Sheffield for the weekends with my hockey team. We're gonna be playing teams like Oxford, Cambridge, Manchester, obviously Sheffield, Newcastle. I'm very excited. We're gonna do great. We're gonna do amazing. It'll be so good. I'm very excited. I don't even know how much I'm supposed to pack. I'm also gonna try to bring my computer and maybe do some more studying while I'm away. I probably won't do that much, but I'm still gonna bring it just in case I have extra downtime. Maybe I should make a list. I'm just gonna do that, maybe read before I go to bed, and then call it a day. I'm pretty much all finished packing. I'm gonna read a little bit of my book and then I'm gonna head to bed. Thank you so much for coming along this week. I know it was like not really interesting, but it was a pretty good week, pretty productive. Thank you so much for joining me and have a great and amazing rest of your day.